Hello, curious minds. Welcome to Learn Science and Chemistry podcast by Chemistry Notes Info. I'm your host Jitendra Singh Sandhu, and in today's podcast, we are taking a fascinating journey back in times to explore the scientists of the ancient world, the true pioneers of knowledge. When we think of science today, we imagine labs, experiments, and technology. But thousands of years ago, brilliant minds were already observing nature, solving problems, and laying the foundation of modern science. So, friends, let's meet them in today's podcast. So, first scientist is Imhotep from ancient Egypt, one of the very first scientists in history. Imhotep was a physician, engineer, and architect. He designed the step pyramid of Saqqara and wrote medical texts, some of which influenced Egyptian medicine for centuries. He is remembered as the first physician. Second scientist in our list is Thales of Miletus from ancient Greece. Thales proposed that natural events had natural causes, not divine ones. He studied astronomy, predicted eclipses, and explored magnetism. Though none of his writings survived, his ideas shaped the birth of scientific thoughts. Next scientist from Greece is in our list is Pythagoras, best known for the Pythagorean theorem. He linked number with harmony and sound. His school of thought inspired future mathematicians and philosophers, showing how mathematics explained pattern in nature. Another scientist from ancient Greece is Hippocrates, known as the father of medicine. Hippocrates emphasized observations, ethics, and natural causes of diseases. The Hippocratic Oath, still respected by doctors today, reflects his lasting influence. Another scientist from ancient Greece is Aristotle, a student of Plato. Aristotle studied everything from biology and physics to ethics and logic. His works, like Physics and On the Heavens, shaped science for centuries and emphasized observations and classification. Another scientist from Syracuse, Greece is Archimedes. Archimedes discovered the principle of buoyancy and developed war machines, levers, and water lifting devices. His work, such as on floating bodies, combined mathematics with real world inventions. Next scientist in our list is from ancient India, Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta proposed that the earth rotates, explained eclipses scientifically, and calculated pi. His work, Aryabhatiya, influenced scholars in India and beyond, making him one of the history's great astronomers. Charaka and Sushruta are another scientists from ancient India and great minds. Charaka authored the Charak Samhita, systematized Ayurveda, focusing on prevention and treatment of diseases, while Sushruta, known as the father of surgery, described hundreds of surgical techniques in the Sushruta Samhita. And next scientist from ancient India is Brahmagupta. Brahmagupta introduced the concept of zero as a number, studied algebra, and theorized gravity. His book, Brahmaspata Siddhanta, revolutionized mathematics and astronomy. Next scientist in our list is Shen Qiu from ancient China. Shen Qiu was a polymath who described the magnetic compass, studied geology, and wrote the dream pool essays. He combined observations with inventions, embodying true scientific curiosity. Next scientist in our list is from Mesopotamia, Babylonian astronomers. Babylonian astronomers recorded planetary movements, predicted eclipses, and developed the base 60 numbers system still used in our clocks and circles today. Friends, From pyramid to surgery, astronomy to algebra, these scientists in ancient times remind us that science is a timeless human journey. Their legacy inspires modern research and innovation. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the past. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to follow, share, and stay curious. Friends, you can also read our article on these scientists from our website www.chemistrynotesinfo.com, whose link is provided in the description of this podcast. Thank you to listening this podcast. I'm your host Jitendra Singh Sandhu. You can also buy our book on interesting facts about all elements of the periodic table from Amazon or Flipkart, whose link is also provided in the description of this podcast. Thank you to listening this podcast.